Hello guys, welcome back to Electromatlas. Today we have a very interesting power electronics module. This is a 1500 watt DC-DC boost converter with adjustable voltage and current control. The manufacturer claims that this module can handle up to 30 amps and boost voltage from low DC levels up to 97 volts. But the big question is, can this small board really deliver 1500 watts? Today we will unbox it, analyze the circuit, explain every adjustment control, and finally perform a real power test. Inside the package, we only have the converter module and basic accessories. The first thing I notice is the large aluminum heatsink, cooling fan, big inductors, and high current terminals. This tells us that this module is designed for high power applications. At the heart of this board, we have a boost converter circuit. A boost converter is a switching power supply that increases DC voltage. For example, 12 volts input can be converted into 24 volts, 48 volts, or even higher voltage. Basically, the circuit works by switching current through an inductor at high frequency. The controller turns the MOSFET on and off very quickly. The energy stored in the inductor is transferred to the output capacitor, creating a higher DC voltage. Now let's take a look at the input and output terminals of this boost converter. On this side, we have the input terminals. In plus is the positive input terminal, and IN is the negative input terminal. This is where we connect our DC power source, such as a battery or power supply. On the other side, we have the output terminals. Out plus is the positive output, and OUT is the negative output. This is where we connect our load and get the boosted DC voltage. Always check the output voltage with a multimeter before connecting any device. This potentiometer controls the output voltage. Turning clockwise increases the output voltage. Turning counterclockwise decreases the output voltage. This is the constant current adjustment. It limits the maximum output current. For example, if we set it to 5 amps, the module will not allow the load to draw more than approximately 5 amps. Under voltage protection potentiometer. This control sets the minimum input voltage. It protects batteries from deep discharge. For example, if you use a lithium battery pack, this protection prevents the battery voltage from dropping to low. Although this module is advertised as 1500 watts, we have to understand power electronics. 1500 watts means, at 50 volts output, approximately 30 amps. But at higher voltage output, the maximum current decreases. Also, heat dissipation is a major limitation. Before connecting any load, we always check the output voltage. Never connect expensive equipment before adjusting the output. Remember guys, this module can generate dangerous DC voltage. 97 volts DC may not look very high, but it can create dangerous conditions. Always use proper insulation and avoid touching the output terminals during operation. After this test, we will know if this 1500W boost converter is a real high power module or just another exaggerated specification. If you enjoy electronics projects like this, don't forget to subscribe to Electromatlas. See you in the next project.